Permafree book, giving your book out for free. Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. In this lesson, I will discuss the reasons why you should give your book out for free as a marketing strategy. This may sound counterintuitive as you're selling your books on Amazon in the first place in order to make money. So why on earth would you devalue your book by giving it away for free? I'll explain. And there are some very compelling reasons why you may want to use this free book giveaway strategy. Expanding your brand. Creating brand awareness and an opportunity for marketing is a reason why you want to do a free book giveaway. If you're starting out as a self-publisher, especially if you're in the fiction niche, you need to establish authority. What better way to create brand awareness and getting yourself known than by giving out your content for free? Everyone likes free stuff. The next reason is increasing sales. By giving people a taste of your content for free, and if it's reader worthy and it resonates with your audience, people will be more inclined to buy your books within your series. This kind of free sample tactic works, and you see it at work at the local grocery store, whether you're at Costco, Target, etc. Companies give out free samples of their products in hopes to entice the customer to buy later on. So there's a parallel between these two strategies in an in-store product taste testing or a testing kind of environment versus a free book, right? It's the same theme, right? You want to give your content out for free in hopes that the consumer reading your content will like it and then eventually purchase other books within your series, right? Later on. The next reason is building your email list. You've heard it before, the money is in the list. Giving out a free offer in exchange for an email is a good strategy to acquire the lifetime value of your customer. This is considered the most important metric in business, being able to have customers purchase from you again and again. In essence, repeat buyers. Collecting emails is your way of creating contact points where you can relay communication for upcoming book releases. You may want to include a call to action to subscribe to your email newsletter, or even another free book offer, or a sample chapter of an upcoming book release. So remember, build your email list. Last but not least, allowing your book to be permanently free won't cost you anything in regards to marketing. Amazon is a store like any other that has millions of customers worldwide. What better way to create more reach than to give out your content for free? Making your books and brand more visible on a global scale, right? So what better way to do this than free advertising that doesn't cost you a penny through giving away your book for free? My closing thoughts. Now, obviously, I'm not telling you to go through your entire catalog of books and make them all perma-free. No, don't do that. This strategy should only be used on a select few books that have a proven demand in the marketplace and will be the backbone of your brand. So if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.